Welcome back. This time we cover doubles. Doubles, of course, are used for decimal numbers. They can be null, but again, there is no concept of an empty double, thank goodness. Doubles have a bunch of built-in functionalities, just like integers. You can convert to an integer, you can convert to a float, and you can convert from a string. I'm not going to cover these. These will be in your homework. It's the exact same format as integers. Doubles also have the exact same operators as integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication. Division this time is actual division. You'll get the actual number. Modulo works the same. You still get the remainder of division. You have increment, decrement, add and assign, subtract and assign, etc. It's almost identical, just the only thing different is division. And with that, I'm sending you straight to the homework. You should start to have a grasp of how to do this. It's all pretty intuitive at this point. Okay, good luck.